Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about statistics in SQL Server. In last video, I have talked very basic details how statistics will be created and all. In this video, we'll talk a little bit more advanced options. So we'll see all the histogram, density, header information one by one. Let's go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand the demo. I'm opening SQL Server Management Studio. So for timing, I have prepared script for today's demo purpose. So whenever any statistics has three sections, so one is a header section, density section, and histogram. So we'll verify one by one. Now I will run this procedure. Will get the statistics detail information for the page demo table. Try to execute it. So there are three statistics are there. One is CLS underscore employee ID and non-CLS first name, and another one is system created. Okay. Now if you want to know how many statistics has been there for this page demo table, we need to use sp underscore help stats page demo, and we have to mention all. Then we'll get all the stats available for this table. Now you can see, right, statistics name and which column it has been. For example, this is first name, this is employee ID column, this is first name column. Okay. Now if you want to know header information and density and histogram, first of all we need to use the dbcc show underscore statistics. dbcc means database console commands. Okay. After that we need to give the table name and as well as the statistics name. For example, now I want to see the first name statistics. Take the copy and paste it here. Try to execute it. So just now we have executed, we got all the three statistics, right? Now I want to run individually. We'll see. Just click on execute. Now we can see, right? So this is the name, this is the header section, this is the density, and this is the histogram. If we observe clearly, what is the name of the statistics and when it has been updated, how many rows are sampled, what are the steps, density, and whether it is a string index or not, unfiltered rows. So this is the density information and this is the histogram. So 177 means here, if you notice here, there are 170 steps has been created as a histogram section. Okay. Now we'll try to verify the same thing for different statistics. Try to execute one more time. Now this time we'll try to verify the system created one. Try to execute it. Now you can see, right? So this is also name of the statistics, when it has been updated, and rows and how many steps and what is the density, and this is the histogram range high key, range rows and equal rows, distinct range rows, and average range rows. So we'll discuss all the things in very great detail going forward. So for timing, try to understand for every statistics we'll get a header as well as density as well as histogram. Okay. For some cases, if you don't want to see all the three information like header and density, histogram, you want to see only particularly where it is histogram or header, just mention them with histogram so that it will display only the histogram details only. Now you can see only histogram only, right? Earlier we have seen header and density, but this time we have specified explicitly I want to see only the histogram, so that is the reason it's showing only the histogram only. Now if you don't want histogram, if you want to show only the header information, just mention it with the header so that we'll get only the header details only. Try to click on execute. Now you can see the only header information, it doesn't display any density information as well as the histogram. it is showing just header information. Okay, likewise we can uh, differentiate, I mean whatever the information you want we can specify explicitly, so that will get all the required information. Even instead of showing here, if you want to see at a UI level, you can see that also. Just click on a refresh, go to the statistics. So go to the any of the statistics. For example, if you want to go to the first name, so right click, properties. Here if you see here, go to the detail. Now we can see, right? So this is the header information, this is the density, and this is the histogram. Now you can see, right? Here range high key and range rows, equal rows and distinct range rows and average range rows, and okay. So what is the table name, what is the statistics name, so all the information will get if you want to filter and right. So we can check whether we can check at a UI level, or we want to at a specific here also we can verify wherever you want, you can check it also. So basically, and moreover we have to verify one more thing at server level, what kind of options we have to create. For example, go to the properties, advanced, so just a minute, go to the database properties, options. Now we can see, right? So auto here we can see there are few options, right? Auto create statistics I have enabled as a true, so that is the reason why it's creating the auto statistics whenever you write a select statement with a specified some predicate in the where condition. Okay, and also I have specified auto update statistics as a true, right? Or I have enabled as a true instead of false. I have enabled as auto create statistics true, and as well as auto update statistics as a true. So that is the reason why it's creating the statistics whenever I have executed a select statement. So even we have seen in last video also how it's auto created statistics has been created. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this. So if you have any questions or comments, so please send to me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much.